This is Dan Max at eXp Realty, and here is my update and walkthrough on our new home purchase that will be ready in 6 to 7 months with David Weekley. Let's go. As you can tell, this is from a dirt build. They currently have the foundation poured and are working on the piping. So that's always exciting to see the innards of your home as it's being built. We happen to purchase a West Elk home from David Weekley. As you can see in the foundation, it looks like it is connected to another foundation, which it is. This is considered a pair home. They offer these in North Central Park, and I think they're great properties. You know, the reason why we first started talking to them is because at some point, hopefully sooner than later, I would really like to see my parents move to Denver, and we'd like to have a place for them to live in. And so it was in our mind that if we could get a property that we thought they could live in time, it might be worth buying now, because you never know what's going on with the economy and the markets in the future. I tend to think inflation is coming and house prices will only continue to rise. So let's dig a little bit more into the home itself. As you saw, we walked through the garage, which is shared with a party wall, same as the property. There's that blue wall to the left that you saw. And so we share a party wall with the construction next door. It doesn't have too much of a yard. If you're familiar with Central Park, you know that most of the homes here have smaller yards because there's tremendous amounts of park everywhere. This is the main level. As you walked in, the kitchen is there on the left. That little, that little box there will be the center island. You can see there's some windows there on the back. It's a nice open floor layout. And you can see as you come in, you have the little pantry there on the left, but as you're walking through the property, you see there's a bathroom right here. There's gonna be a little half bath, so people can walk in if they need to use the bathroom. And then you can see the stairs to the up and downstairs. Again, this is what it will look like. This is one of the homes that is currently being built, and luckily you have permission to walk through here real quick. I wanted to get some film footage on it. So what is nice about this property too is, again, it's going to have a finished basement. You can see there's a little room there for all your utilities. Nice little side area here. If you look down there to the left, that is where you will be able to build a secret compartment one day. Wink, wink. Yeah, and this layout is pretty nice because what you're going to have down here is a really open bonus room with another bathroom, shower, full bath, and another bedroom. So whoever's down in this basement is going to have a huge bedroom, which is very appealing. Keep in mind, you always got to have the windows there with the escape access. It's code in Colorado. If you have a below grade bedroom, you need to have access to get out if there's a flood, fire, whatever you want to call it. Again, a lot of room down here. I mean, there's storage potential back there in the corner. Anyway, here's the front, which it's pretty inviting. I think you have a big open slab there. You're going to share it with the neighbor, but you will have plenty of space for anything you want to put on the porch, in my mind. Some chairs, tables, comfortable furniture in general. As we're walking up the stairs here, we're going to where most of the action in this house will be. You have little closets. You have 3 bedrooms. Unfortunately, this one isn't set up like the property we're purchasing. Right where I'm walking right now is a loft, will be a bedroom. And everything's a little configured differently because this is a 3 bedroom with the 1 bedroom in the basement. But as you can see here, this is the setup where you have the bedrooms. You have right here to the right is going to be the laundry room. It's a little 2-door open laundry room with a washer and dryer with overhead cabinets. Again, if you see the blue walls, that's the party walls that are super insulated to keep out any sound. I mean, one of the reasons why we went with David Weekley is they have a very high reputation. If you do any homework about these builders, they're all over the country. They're a privately owned company, but they do a great job. I mean, everywhere they go, they're always trying to get feedback and really connect with the customer. There's a lot of home builders that don't do that. Once they get the money, they kind of do what they're going to do. They don't really care what you have to say. They just want to build. And I know that's not every builder in every circumstances, but that's pretty typical. So look forward to keeping you updated on how this build goes with David Weekley and sharing more insight about new home building process in Central Park, Denver. for the trading agent checking out. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you ever have any questions about real estate, please don't hesitate to follow up with me and give me a call, text, email, whatever. I'm here to help 24/7. Thank you.